Every year, more than 240 million US drivers deal with windshield wipers that squeak, chatter, skip, or scream like a rubber banshee. In fact, according to AAA, nearly 42% of drivers say loud wiper noise distracts them in the rain, making them feel unsafe. But here's the twist. Most noisy wipers are not worn out. They are simply dirty, misaligned, or dry, problems that take only minutes to fix. Today, we are revealing the pro-level, mechanic-tested methods to silence your wipers without replacing them. These tricks save US drivers money every year and dramatically improve driving comfort. Let's get started. Met 1. Deep clean the wiper blades. Most wipers get noisy because dirt, tree sap, and road grime build up on the rubber edge. Even a tiny piece of dust can cause that screeching, skipping, or juddering. To fix this, take a microfiber cloth, soak it in warm soapy water, and wipe the blade from one end to the other. But don't stop there. The real magic happens when you wipe the blade again using rubbing alcohol, which dissolves oils that soap can't touch. This second wipe restores the rubber's flexibility and allows it to hug the windshield perfectly again. Most people never clean their wipers, which is why they get noisy so easily. After doing this two-stage wipe, your wipers will feel smoother, grip better, and make almost no sound at all. And US detailers estimate that 60% of noisy wipers become quiet immediately after this two-stage cleaning. It is the first fix mechanics try before recommending replacement. Method 2. Deep clean the windshield. A dirty windshield is one of the biggest reasons wipers make noise. And it is not just the dirt you can see. Over time, the glass collects wax from car washes, tree sap, industrial pollution, oily films, and microscopic debris from the road. A deep cleaning with an automotive glass cleaner removes these layers and restores the smoothness of the glass. This process dramatically reduces friction between the blade and the glass. When the glass surface becomes smooth again, the wipers move effortlessly, eliminating noise and improving visibility during rain. Deep cleaning the windshield once a month prevents noise from returning and also extends the life of your wiper blades. Measurement 3. Blade edge reconditioning. Many US dealership technicians secretly use this trick before recommending replacement blades. Over time, the front edge of the wiper blade becomes hardened due to UV exposure. By gently buffing the edge of the rubber with fine 1000 grit sandpaper, you remove the hardened layer and expose fresh, soft rubber underneath. It takes less than 20 seconds, but the improvement is dramatic. The blade becomes sharper, more flexible, and more precise at wiping water. This method can turn an old, noisy blade into a smooth, quiet one instantly. It is one of those insider techniques mechanics don't mention because most people assume they need a new wiper. Method 4. Adjust the wiper arm pressure for silent movement. Many drivers don't know that windshield wipers rely on perfect pressure to work quietly. If the wiper arm presses too lightly, skip and make that rapid vibrating sound. To fix this, gently lift the wiper arm and check the tension. It should lift firmly but not loosely. You can slightly bend the wiper arm downward to increase pressure or upward to reduce pressure. This tiny adjustment can completely eliminate noise, especially on older cars where the springs weaken over time. It is a trick mechanics use to stop noise without replacing wipers, and most drivers have no idea it exists. Methods 5. Revive old, hard, or dry rubber with heat restoration. Wiper blades naturally dry out due to sunlight, heat, and age. When the rubber becomes stiff, it loses flexibility and can no longer contour to the windshield, causing loud squeaking. Instead of replacing them immediately, you can bring them back to life using gentle heat. Then run your fingers along the edge to straighten and soften the rubber. This reactivates the rubber's elasticity and restores proper contact with the windshield. The difference is noticeable immediately. Your wipers will grip better, wipe cleaner, and sound much quieter. It's a temporary fix, but it can extend the life of your wipers for months while saving money. Method 6. Lubricate the wiper arm hinges. Sometimes the noise isn't coming from the blade at all. It is coming from the mechanism that moves the wipers. The joints, pivots, and hinges dry out, especially in hot climates, causing friction and metal-on-metal squeaking. When these parts are dry, every movement of the wiper arm creates a ticking or chirping noise that drives you insane, even if the blades themselves are fine. A quick spray of silicone lubricant on the wiper arm joints eliminates this friction instantly. Avoid using WD-40 on the rubber blade. Only use silicone spray on the metal joints. Once lubricated, the wiper arms move smoothly and silently, restoring that factory new feel. And you never even notice they fixed it. Measurement 7. Inspect the rubber for cracks, hardening, or uneven wear. If your wiper blades are making noise despite cleaning and adjusting, the rubber itself may be worn out. Over time, rubber becomes brittle, cracked, or hardened due to sun exposure, cold weather, and frequent use. When this happens, the blade cannot maintain a smooth, continuous contact with the windshield, causing chatter and squeaks no matter what you do. Inspect the blade carefully by running your finger along the edge to feel for cuts, bumps, uneven thickness, or rough spots. Any damage will interrupt the blade's movement and create noise. If you notice splitting, chunks missing, or dryness that can't be fixed with silicone, replacement is the only real solution. Replacing old blades eliminates noise instantly and improves safety during rainy weather. Methods 8. Apply a hydrophobic glass coating. Hydrophobic coatings are extremely popular in the U.S., where rain varies heavily between states, from Florida's tropical downpours to Seattle's constant drizzle. Applying a coating like Rain-X or Aquapel reduces friction between the blade and the glass by making water bead up and roll away. Instead of sticking to the glass, water beads up and rolls away with almost no resistance. Not only does this eliminate squeaking and skipping, but it also reduces how often you need to use your wipers in light rain. Many drivers report that above 40 miles per hour, they barely need the wipers at all because the coating does the work. This trick gives your car that luxury vehicle smoothness that people pay hundreds for at detailing shops. And there you have it, the most effective and professional methods to silence those annoying windshield wiper noises once and for all. No more screeching, no more chatter, no more embarrassment at traffic lights when your wipers sound like a duck with a megaphone. See you in the next video.